If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more streaming tips and tricks. How to stream NBA games on YouTube TV. In this video, we're going to walk you through the steps to stream NBA games using YouTube TV so you can catch all the action from your favorite teams without missing a beat. First up, make sure you have an active YouTube TV subscription. If you haven't subscribed yet, head over to the YouTube TV website and sign up for an account. They often offer a free trial, so you can test it out before committing. Once subscribed, download the YouTube TV app on your preferred streaming device, be it a smart TV, smartphone, or computer. Next, open the YouTube TV app and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll find an easy-to-navigate interface with live TV channels. Simply head to the Live tab to see what's currently being broadcasted. To find NBA games, search for the channels that generally broadcast them, like ESPN, TNT, or ABC. YouTube TV provides an excellent search function to help you locate these channels quickly. You can also set your favorite teams to get notifications when a game is about to start. When game day arrives, go to the channel airing the game. If you can't catch the game live, don't worry. YouTube TV offers a cloud DVR feature with unlimited storage, allowing you to record the game and watch it later at your convenience. In case you're traveling or dealing with local blackout restrictions, check YouTube TV's official support page to see what games are available in your area. Lastly, ensure that your internet connection is strong and stable to enjoy a seamless streaming experience. A minimum speed of 3 megabits per second is recommended for standard definition and 7 megabits per second or higher for high definition. That's it! You're all set to stream NBA games live on YouTube TV. Thanks for watching!